Hi, it's Mike.
How to create shortcuts in File Explorer. Now, if you access folders on a regular basis, you can save yourself some time rather than clicking through File Explorer trying to find them by creating a shortcut. And all you need to do is find the folder that you want, press and hold, and then drag it down to the File Explorer icon at the bottom on the taskbar, and then as you can see, it says pin to File Explorer, and then just let go of the mouse button, and what that does, that pins it up here. So any folders that you need access to on a regular basis, just drag and drop, and that will pin them there. And then all you need to do to access them is right click on the folder and then select the folder that you want. Just an easy way of getting quick access to the folders that you need.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.